A woman in Kenya was filmed confronting a python, but she wasn't running away, she wasn't screaming, and she definitely wasn't scared. She was talking to the snake, and according to her, this python had actually shamed her. Yes, you heard that right. A woman was apparently having a serious conversation with a python because she believed the snake had embarrassed her. Now, you're probably wondering, what exactly did this snake do? Well, that's where things get interesting. The video that went viral doesn't show us what happened before the confrontation. All we see is the woman facing the python and speaking to it as if she's dealing with someone who has seriously offended her. And honestly, most people would react very differently. If I saw a python in front of me, my first thought wouldn't be to start an argument. It would be, where is the nearest exit? But this woman, she stood her ground. And the python seemed surprisingly calm. It almost looked like the snake was wondering why it had suddenly become the main character in somebody else's drama. Once the video started spreading online, people immediately began asking questions. Some viewers came up with supernatural explanations. Others believed there had to be a simple explanation behind the encounter. Maybe the python had entered her home. Maybe it had disturbed something. Or maybe something happened before the camera started recording. But without that missing part of the story, nobody can say for sure. And that's what made the video so interesting. Everyone had a theory, but nobody had the full story. The woman clearly believed the snake had done something wrong. The internet had its theories. And the python. Well, the python wasn't saying anything. It just sat there, completely calm, as if this entire argument had absolutely nothing to do with it. And maybe that's the funniest part, because we are watching a woman confront a python, while the python looks like it just wants to go home. So what really happened between this woman and the snake? Was it simply a strange wildlife encounter? Was there something we didn't see? Or is there another explanation for why she believed the python had shamed her? For now, we don't know. All we have is the video, the woman's words, and a very confused-looking python. So what do you think? Was this just a wildlife encounter? Or is there more to this story than we are seeing? Let me know what you think.